welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chrissy Nicole, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you should go ahead and do that. You're already here. Why not join my team, my gang, my squad, whatever it is you want to call it, and follow me on this YouTube journey and see how far I go. So today I'm going to do a Isee hair review on the Water Wave Mongolian style hair. It is 20 inches. I'm just going to show you guys how I put it on and just how I handle it. And tell me what you think. Tell me anything I could do different, something that you don't do that seems to work out a little better, but I'm just now starting out on doing this. It looks good sometimes it doesn't, but you know, I'm just trying here. But let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So I came on camera with my hair already braided. You can either put a part wherever you want your part and braid downward, or you can braid just straight back, but I think it comes out flatter, especially for middle parts, to just put my part in the middle and then braid downward. I order from Isee hair all the time, so I'm just doing this for you guys, but the hair is really soft and it is very cheap. It doesn't shed a lot, and I just love them, so just check them out. The link will be in the bio. Yo, what was I thinking? Low key, your girl could be in Stomp the Yard. Like, let's stop playing. So for this part, I really had to learn to leave a little space before my hair starts with this cap, just so I can put the glue, and the glue won't be on my hair, it'll just be on my skin. A lot of people think that got to be glue and Ghost Bond really pull out your hair, and they don't. All you got to do is use water and it'll come off. Okay, you're messing up your own hair. All you have to do is put a little water and it'll come right off. Okay, so stop blaming the glue. Blame you. Period, poo. Anyways, all it takes is water. And if you don't put it on your hair, you won't have a problem. So just a little tip for y'all. So with this Ghost Bond, I'm just gonna dot this all around my hairline, and I'm gonna spread it really thin with a comb, and just make sure it gets even so it can dry a little faster. This was the part I was talking about. You see, I put it on there when it was still white, and it took forever to dry clear after that. So just a little mistake right there, but I'm trying to, tell you guys not to do that, because I want you guys to be successful and do it right the first time, because these things is already a hassle as it is. So make sure it dries clear before you put it on there. And a tip for cutting it: I don't cut it straight across, because then you'll definitely be able to tell when and where the lace is. So I just cut it in kind of like a, not zigzag, but kind of like a, not spiral, curvy line motion. I don't know, up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't cut it straight across. But anyway, I kind of turned my camera off so you guys can see that. It took forever. So it just shows me doing my edges. I wrap them up, and then I just wet the hair and I comb it out, put a little bit of product in there, a little bit of leave-in conditioner. That's it. Not too much. So after I take the scarf off and make sure my edges are how I want them to be, or at least a little bit decent, I kind of try to part it to see where I want it. But this particular wig, I kind of just want it to be like a free form type of thing, I guess. But when I do part it, I'll either add concealer or I'll pluck it and then still add a little bit of concealer. But however you want to do it, sis, however you want to do it. So guys, something I forgot to mention is that this hair really is soft and it doesn't shed. I like the wet look, so I wet it and then I comb it out, but it is no shedding. I run my hands through it, there's no hair, and I just love how it looks on me. It's so pretty, and yeah, so, and it's not expensive, so I like it. I'm just gonna do it short, sweet, to the point. I know some people do it really long and they really put effort into describing the hair, but I like it. I've been ordering from them for a long time. So if you want this hair, it will be in the description box down below. Follow them on Instagram, Isee Hair, and follow me on Instagram, c.enterprise with a Z, not an S. And that's it. I really like this hair and hope you guys subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.